Emphasis is a project which aims to provide a complete range of diet, leisure, and personal growth options to help anyone achieve their goals. Emphasis is designed with the harmony of feng shui to maximize restfulness and balance in each of its spaces. Emphasis is committed to your well-being and that of your family. We have a lounge with a space for the adults to relax, and another where the children can enjoy creative activities. A little further on, an outdoor terrace where you can admire the views of Caceres and the Pyrenees Mountains while enjoying a cup of tea or coffee, or perhaps a nice glass of wine. Our kitchen provides the option of vegetarian dishes, as well as those including meat or fish. The most important thing is the opportunity to share a table with your loved ones and enjoy quality food together. The vegetables products are from our orchard near Emphasis. Emphasis offers you 5 adaptable and non-adaptable rooms, which can be singles, doubles, triples, and quadruples, as folding bunk beds are available, including viscoelastic mattresses. The rooms are named after some of the varieties of wild mushrooms found in the Brigueta region: Rovolo, Fredolic. Activities take place in the Wera room and in the restaurant kitchen. Wera provides a space for our workshops for children and adults, yoga and meditation programs, as well as small group coaching sessions. Emphasis facilitates many activities outside the hotel and across the region, as well as walks to exercise our bodies and mind. Group sessions. Through its courses and workshops, Emphasis aims to provide you with the tools for personal growth. In addition, there is the possibility of using our space for your own private group. Come on, enter to visit our website, www.emphasiscaceres.com.